Mastering RAG pipelines in Python with Claude. Step by step, this video will guide you through integrating Claude into Python RAG pipelines to optimize AI workflows for enhanced model efficiency and accuracy.
Welcome to the future of AI workflows, where RAG pipelines are revolutionizing how we manage and process information. But why are RAG pipelines so crucial? In this video, we're diving into the world of retrieval augmented generation, a method that enhances AI efficiency by integrating data retrieval with generation tasks. With the introduction of Claude into these pipelines, you can expect significant improvements in accuracy and efficiency. Over the next 15 minutes, we'll explore how to set up, integrate, and optimize RAG pipelines using Claude, equipping you with skills that are increasingly essential in today's tech landscape. Let's embark on this journey to mastering RAG pipelines in Python with Claude.
In order to effectively harness the power of RAG pipelines, we must first understand their core components. RAG stands for Retrieval Augmented Generation, a technique that combines the strengths of data retrieval with data generation tasks. The retrieval component involves fetching relevant data from a vast pool of information, while the generation component involves creating meaningful content based on that data. Claude enters the scene as a tool that seamlessly integrates into these pipelines, enhancing their efficiency by providing accurate and contextually relevant information. Imagine a customer service application that not only retrieves previous customer interactions but also generates a tailored response. This is the power of RAG pipelines amplified by Claude. Throughout this video, we'll delve deeper into how you can implement this into your Python projects.
Before we dive into coding, getting our Python environment ready is crucial. First, you'll need to install essential libraries such as Hugging Face transformers, requests, and pandas. Claude's SDK will also be central to our setup, so ensure it's installed correctly. Virtual environments in Python can help manage dependencies without conflicts, making your workflow smoother. Start by creating a virtual environment using Venv or Conda, then activate it and install the necessary packages. Configuration is key, so check the documentation to set up your API keys and environment variables correctly. If you encounter any issues, common troubleshooting steps include checking your Python path and ensuring all dependencies are up to date. With your environment configured, you're ready to start building RAG pipelines. Integrating Claude into your RAG pipelines begins with understanding its API. Start by importing the Claude SDK into your Python script. Establish a connection using your API key, which you should have configured earlier. The integration process involves writing functions to handle API requests and responses. For instance, you can write a function to send a query to Claude and another to process the retrieved data. Pay close attention to the API rate limits and response formats to ensure seamless interaction. Implement error handling to manage issues like network failures or incorrect API usage. With these steps, you are well on your way to leveraging Claude's capabilities in your RAG pipelines.
Claude is a powerful tool that can significantly enhance both the retrieval and generation aspects of your RAG pipelines. For data retrieval, Claude can access diverse data sources and filter relevant information with impressive speed and accuracy. This is particularly beneficial in applications like personalized content creation or automated reporting. On the generation front, Claude's language capabilities can be utilized to produce coherent and contextually appropriate responses, making it an excellent fit for customer service bots or content recommendation systems. Consider a scenario where your pipeline retrieves customer feedback and generates tailored responses based on sentiment analysis. Claude simplifies this process. By integrating these capabilities, you can build intelligent systems that not only understand but also interact meaningfully with data. Once your RAG pipeline is set up, testing and validating its outputs is crucial to ensure reliability. Start by defining your test case. These should cover a range of scenarios, from expected to edge cases. Utilize tools like PyTest for automated testing, allowing you to run tests systematically. Examine the outputs for accuracy and relevance, ensuring they meet the intended purpose. For instance, if your pipeline is designed for customer interaction, the responses should be timely, accurate, and contextually appropriate. Regular validation against known standards or datasets can help maintain consistency. By investing time in a robust testing process, you enhance the reliability and trustworthiness of your RAG pipeline. As with any complex system, RAG pipelines present their own set of challenges. Common issues include data retrieval inaccuracies, integration errors, and performance bottlenecks. Troubleshooting begins with identifying the root cause. Logs and error messages are invaluable here. Real-world examples often provide insights into overcoming these obstacles. For instance, if data retrieval is inconsistent, consider refining your query parameters or using more reliable data sources. For integration issues, double-check your API keys and network configurations. Performance bottlenecks often require optimization at the code level or upgrading your infrastructure. Remember, the AI community is a rich resource. Forums, documentation, and peer networks can offer solutions and support. By embracing a proactive approach to problem solving, you ensure the robustness of your RAG pipelines. Performance optimization is vital to ensure your RAG pipelines run smoothly and efficiently. Start by reviewing your code for any bottlenecks or inefficient processes. Efficient data handling can be achieved by minimizing redundant data retrieval and processing only what's necessary. Claude's features can be leveraged to optimize specific tasks, such as utilizing its language generation capabilities to quickly produce high-quality outputs. Reducing latency can be tackled by optimizing network requests and considering the use of asynchronous programming where applicable. Best practices include writing modular code, using caching strategies, and regularly profiling your application to identify areas for improvement. By focusing on these strategies, you can significantly enhance the performance and responsiveness of your RAG pipelines.
RAG pipelines have found applications across numerous industries, from healthcare to finance and beyond. Consider a case study in healthcare where RAG pipelines facilitate patient data retrieval and generate diagnostic suggestions, streamlining workflows and improving patient outcomes. In finance, these pipelines can analyze market data to generate investment insights or automate customer interactions. Each case study provides valuable lessons, such as the importance of data accuracy and the potential for automation to transform processes. Looking ahead, the integration of Claude with RAG pipelines points towards even more sophisticated applications, such as real-time data processing and decision-making. As technology evolves, staying informed about these trends will position you to leverage RAG pipelines effectively in your domain.
Congratulations on reaching the end of this video. You've taken a significant step towards mastering RAG pipelines with Claude in Python. We've covered the essentials, from setting up your environment to optimizing performance and exploring real-world applications. But this is just the beginning. Practice is key to solidifying your skills. Join online communities, share your experiences, and learn from others. We encourage you to leave a comment, share this video with peers, and let us know what topics you'd like us to cover next. Stay tuned for our next video, where we'll explore advanced RAG techniques. Thank you for watching, and happy coding.